Hey everybody, welcome back to Spare Time. We're going to be jumping right back into Spider-Man. I'm going to do a quick video just to get right back into the roll of things, and that is how I made the zipper for the pants and the shirt to connect. I did a brief summary of this in my last Spider-Man video, but today I'm going to go a little bit more in detail to show you guys what I did. This is a 30 or 22 or 26 inch separating zipper. I think I should have went with the 30 because it wasn't long enough, but the reason for the separating zipper instead of an invisible zipper is because we need to separate. I know there's probably separating invisible zippers out there, but I didn't have access to one. So that created a new problem. I had to figure out how to hide this separating zipper. So let's get into that. Alright, the first mistake I made was just putting it right at the edge of the fabric. I didn't realize that the pants and shirt don't really line up. There's kind of a little bit of overlap. So I had to put it on and fix that. One thing you're going to need, in case you don't know, is a zipper foot. This is what it looks like. You might have one if you have a sewing machine. And what it does is it guides the teeth along the outside, leaving the needle to go right next to the teeth. Here's the shirt. I'm going to show you what I did to put the zipper on. Basically, I hemmed the belt area right there. And I used black thread to mark a little guide to where, for where to put the zipper onto. And then I lined it up with that thread, made sure that the belt overlapped the teeth of the zipper like that, so it could hide the zipper teeth. And then I just hand sewed it. You can hand sew or pin it, whatever is easiest for you. I hand sewed it in there so it could be a little bit more stable and I could position it where I wanted it to be. Also, I had to stretch the belt a little bit to fit the full length of the zipper. But after playing with it a little bit, it should fit in the right place. And yeah, you make sure that the belt overlaps the teeth so it can hide it. And there you got a makeshift invisible zipper. For the pants, I did a chalk line. I marked with chalk where I wanted the zipper to go, just like so. And I made it like about an inch from the red part of the pants to try to match the game as best I could. And then I went all the way to the back, tried to get as straight of a line as I could, and then it touches the back. And I tried to make the zipper dip down a little bit as it does in the game. It didn't end up working out too well, but I'm fine with it. There's a little bit of dead space right there. I'm probably going to end up cutting out later, or maybe turning into a pocket. As you can see right here, the teeth are facing downwards. That's because when it zips up, it's going to pull the pants over the teeth in order to hide the zipper. And if you don't understand what I mean, right here, the pants are going to go over the zipper like that. So that's why I'm sewing it with the teeth facing down rather than facing up towards the edge. Right here, there you go. Visible zipper. Here's the finished product. It's all invisible, it's all covered. As you can see right there, you just pop it up, pull it up, and then there's the zipper exposed. Pull it down, it's all good. Might have to tweak it a little bit to get it to work perfectly, but this is the general idea. I haven't done the other side yet, but yeah, I'm happy with it. It works. And that's the zipper. Next we're going to be focusing on making the gloves and the mask, and then we're going to get on to painting this thing. We'll be done, finally. Anyway, that's what I have planned for next time. Stay tuned for more videos. Got a whole bunch of stuff coming up, so subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time on Spare Time.